Today I'll be showing you guys my third driving lesson at only 14 years old. As always, we drove at the Titi circuit. This lesson was really fun. I worked on my downshifting and making sure it's gentle but also fast. I also worked on my handling of the car by doing some more laps on the circuit and doing a tight slalom. And we ended the lesson by practicing some starts on a slope. Overall, it was a great lesson and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. Enough with the talking though, so let's get on to the lesson. Okay, so first we're doing some laps on the circuit so I can get used to the car again. My main focus in these laps is to practice shifting down and doing it in a good way so that the car doesn't jerk around. Basically making my shifts smooth. That's because my biggest problem is letting off the clutch too fast, and so the car jerks around and my downshift is not smooth. So here I'm really concentrating on letting go of the clutch in a slow manner. Overall, I'm really learning this circuit more and more as the sessions pass, and I can drive it faster. You'll see he does some hand gestures. Those show me where to brake and where to go straight and where to turn. So he's basically explaining to me exactly where I have to brake and when to turn into the corner. My shifts really did improve over these couple of laps, and by the end I really have a gentle downshift which doesn't jerk the car, unlike last lesson. The trick to having good gentle downshifts that are also fast on a circuit is letting go of the clutch fast but only in the beginning, and then when you're on the end period of the clutch let go, you go gently. So at the beginning you let go fast, but then you let go gently before letting go completely. After we finish the circuit and my teacher is happy with my driving, we go and do some close slaloms. This means that the cones are really close to each other and I have to turn in a lot. It's different from the slalom I did in my first and second video, because instead of just going left, staying straight a little, then going right and repeating that, I have to go left, stay left quite a lot, about 2 seconds, and then go turn right but really fast and turn to the maximum steering angle. Here you see, I turn right, I stay turned right, then I turn left really fast, and as you'll see, I can get between the cones. Even though I'm not going fast, this exercise is to improve my handling of the wheel, so I can handle the wheel without crossing my arms or stumbling. We do spend some time on this because it's really important to get the handling right, and also to train my muscles to move the wheel fast. Here we go on a straighter part of the circuit to practice my starts, because as I told you in the beginning, my biggest problem is letting go of the clutch too fast, and so that affects the starts. But because I learned how to let go slower in the circuit part of the video, I managed to get good starts here. We do a couple starts so my teacher sees I can do them properly before moving on to some more advanced things. At first I thought pushing the throttle too much would make the car jerk, but actually it's the opposite. If you don't push the throttle enough, that causes the car to jerk and the start to be bad.
so don't be afraid to push that throttle. Finally, we do some practice starts from a slope, so that means I'm sitting on an angle instead of staying on the flat surface. Here you have to time the letting go of the clutch and the release of the handbrake in the same time, also managing to push the throttle enough to go. These were good because I did practice them a lot in my last session. In my first one, me and the teacher joked about it being like a competition start because I spun up the wheels a little, which was really fun. Finally, we end the session by going and parking the car back in its parking spot. I managed to park it correctly, but I should have went a little more forward. And that's the end of the session, guys.
I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video. If you want to see more content like this and my future lessons, press the subscribe button below. If you have any suggestions for future videos with my simulator or with even real cars, drop them in the comments below. And as always, have a great day everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!